everyone, it's me Cassandra from CassandraPR.com, also Creative Web Tips. I'm going to share with you guys a common problem when you're switching your domains from unsecured to secured. This is currently a client's website that I was working on. I was switching their hosting company, and we're currently using SiteGround now. And one of the things that we came across was none of their home images were showing up, because unfortunately, this is what it's supposed to look like in the original website, but when you actually go to the domain, nothing shows up. So what occurred was that the links were still showing HTTP versus it being HTTPS. So now I reached out to SiteGround and they were kind enough to share this article with me. Like I said, I will send it or save it for you guys and share it with you. And it's a few select plugins that you can use to do a search and replace. You could do it manually, but that may be tedious, and I believe in working smarter, not harder. And according to this article, there's about 5 different plugins that you can use. So in this case, I will just share with you CM Search and Replace is one of them. Search and Replace by Insipid. You have Better Search Replace by Delicious Brains, Search Rejects plugin, and Real Time Find and Replace. I have decided to use the Search and Replace. I will go ahead and show you how it looks. So what you would do is obviously go to your dashboard and you will select plugins. And in my case, I had already installed it before I started recording, and it will be in your plugins here, search and replace. But like always, if you don't remember, you select add new, and then you type it in this case. This is it here. Like I said, I've already installed it and I've activated it. Now, in order for you to find it, you need to go under Tools, and it will be here, Search and Replace. And this is how it will come up. Now, one of the first things they advise you to do is to back up your database. So you create a SQL, which I've already done, and then you will go here, and this is where you're going to have them search the URL that you that is currently unsecured, and then have it replaced with a secured one. So in this case, I am going to do it for the logo. I've already copied the URL for it, and then I'm going to ask them to please replace it. This is a lot easier versus doing it manually. So in this case, I'm going to just copy and paste, but then add the S right here. The mistake I had made before, because this is pretty new to me as well, I didn't select all tables before. So now that I figured it out, after you select all tables, you click Do Search and Replace. And now this is what should come up. It'll tell you how many tables were processed and 25 cells needed to be updated in this case. So I look at the view details, and guess what? The URL that I had, which is the old value right here, now the new value, it's HTTPS. Isn't that cool? So I'm not going to bore you in doing it for every single image, but the end result is for you to be able to have your images that currently we're not showing because it didn't convert over when you switch from unsecured to secured. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can hit me up at hello@cassandrapierre.com. You can also follow me on Instagram under Creative Web Tips. I will be featuring more how-to videos on this YouTube channel. If you do like it, please hit like and share and subscribe. And if you have anything that you would like me to cover, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I will let you guys know when the next upcoming video is. Have a good one. Bye.